In my last video, I was comparing three webcams. The Samsung Galaxy S10, not really a webcam, but I'm using it right now. This is what you see. So I'm using it as a webcam using Droid OBS. It interfaces with my computer and OBS Studio via USB. It'll also work over Wi-Fi. So the other cameras is the Fellini webcam and the Logitech C922. So you're probably familiar with the Logitech C922. It's a very popular webcam. It's good quality, works very well. You're probably not familiar with the Fellini webcam. Now, it's a $20 webcam, picked it up on Amazon. I picked it up because I was interested in its quality due to the fact I have quite a few Fellini IP cameras around the house. Those are good quality. The picture looks really good for an IP fisheye camera. So I use them because they were easy to set up. The quality is pretty good. The price is good. I don't think they make the FTP version anymore. It's all going to the cloud. But the ones I have, FTP. So, again, I did the first one in a low light situation because I wanted to push the cams and see, what would they do in the low lights. So I found that the Fellini and the Logitech came up a little short, especially the Fellini. Got some weird shadowing, pixelated shadows and stuff like that, and just everything was like really weird. So I thought, okay, let's try it in a bright light situation because I did on another computer and it looked pretty good. So here we go. This is the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. Looks good, true life colors. The lighting is looking good, everything. So we're going to switch. And this is the Fellini. So the colors don't look as natural. And there's something else I noticed in my testing. It looks like it's trying to do, some kind of, I don't know, edging stuff. You see, I have like a weird outline. Don't know what that is. Really weird. Got this outline thing going on. And the color, it's not too great. Does have a nice wide field of view. That's good. But you can see it's a usable cam. It looks good. You could probably take down the light a little bit and look a lot better. But I didn't do anything with the settings of any of these cameras. Everything is straight out of the box default settings. So here we go. Switch again. This is the Logitech C922. As you can see, it's a more washed out look. I do like using this camera for zoom because it kind of beautifies your skin a little bit. So it just softens things up a little bit. And you can kind of see it's softening the colors. It's softening the skin. Everything gets kind of a blurry, soft look. Whether or not that works for you, that's up to you. But when you got a camera in your face, you really don't want it making, any wrinkles, lines, blemishes stronger, right? So the Fellini seems to be doing that. It seems to really be, taking your picture and really, digitizing it, sharpening it a little bit too much. So again, here's the Logitech C922. It's not too bad. Good movement. You notice you don't get that banding around me. See? Don't have that black banding going on. Here is the Fellini. Now granted, I paid about $100 at the time for the Logitech. The Fellini is $20. That, is that worth it to you? Depends on what you're using it for. The banding is kind of weird. I'm not sure what we could do to improve that, but we could definitely take the light down a notch and try to do a little color correction. But it's not too bad. I'm going to do another camera review. I've bought a lot of cheap cameras over the years just to see, what can you get for 20 bucks, 30 bucks? What is it? And, well, here you go, 20 bucks. And back again. You might already have a great webcam, your phone. You hear a lot of people on YouTube talking about using your phone for a webcam. And as you can see, it looks really nice. It's a very clear, very true to life picture. It works good when I use it like to do background replacement and stuff with my green screen. So something to think about. So there you go. Just wanted to give the Fellini another chance. Put it in a room with a lot of lights. The same spot, but before I had the 2 umbrella lights, so not a lot of light. Today we've got the 2 umbrella lights and 1, 2, 3, 4 foot daylight lights and 1 more light over here. So it's not very bright coming this way, but we got a little bit of light from over there and 2 lights on the side, 1 light in the back to light the green screen. I often run some strip lights behind me here because you'll get shadowing, and shadowing does not do good when you're trying to do background replacement with a green screen. So something you might want to think about if you're having trouble with that. Try a little strip light. You don't want the light too strong, but a little bit of light down there can go a long way. So thanks for watching. Like this video, share this video, and watch some of our other videos.